Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Windows 10 or 11, updated GPU drivers, and at least 4 GB of RAM. This avoids performance surprises. Next, pick a tool: Wallpaper Engine for Steam, Lively for free use, or Rainmeter for custom widgets, because each handles formats differently. Once done, make a system restore point and export your current wallpaper settings so you can revert quickly. This saves time if the new wallpaper causes issues. Begin installing your chosen app now. After installation, launch the app and allow startup permissions so your wallpaper loads at boot. That ensures consistency. Import your wallpaper file, MP4, WebM, an HTML scene, or a Rainmeter skin, because format determines CPU versus GPU load. Then configure playback. Set a frame rate cap, enable hardware acceleration if available, and choose a balanced power profile to prevent battery drain or lag. Finally, assign wallpaper to specific monitors and test switching between full-screen apps to confirm behavior. Complete setup by saving a profile per monitor and locking positions so icons and widgets remain steady. You want repeatable results. If you see stuttering or high CPU, lower the frame rate, change the renderer option, or close heavy background apps because those moves usually fix performance. If the app crashes or the system becomes unstable, revert to your restore point, update GPU drivers, and reinstall the Wallpaper app. These steps resolve corrupted installs. One key tip: test with a lightweight sample before committing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.